Well, originally when the solar system turned on, it wasn't that exciting. It was like, okay, it's on. But the fun part actually happened once we saw our bill a month or two later, and we saw that instead of paying the electrical bill, we actually started earning more money back because they're actually producing more power than we use. My name is Stephan Kovalkov. I'm a product development engineer for JNBK Corporation. Our first location warehouse has switched to solar for about 2 years. Well, originally me and the company managers were considering going into green technology, and one of the biggest technologies on the market is solar. Solar system is supposed to last you 25 years. So as long as you get back money, even less than 10 years, it's more than a great investment to make. Our main idea behind it was to get this solar system to also earn back some money on that system, to contribute to the society in terms of producing more energy and give it back to the society or to the grid. The good news about it is the green technology, it's renewable, it's safe, it's always available. The science is always out there and it's ready. Essentially, it's a really good opportunity to save the environment and also to save your own business money. SunPro Energies had the best list of equipment, because when we had other companies also giving us basically equipment that they're giving out, we were looking at the different options, and then we found out actually SunPro had one of the best cost price in terms of system size and what type of equipment they use, and also they have a really good portfolio, and that eventually weighed to the decision where we chose SunPro to help us to install the system.